So you want to start a dropshipping business, but you don't know if it's a sustainable business in 2018. Well, this video is going to give you the answer on that. What's popping around? Markus just come back at you with a brand new video, help you guys to build yourself financially and to build the empire of your life as always. This video I'm going to discuss whether dropshipping is a sustainable business in 2018 and what you can do to actually be able to get your dropshipping business up and running and be profitable on it. So let's jump straight into the video. So dropshipping 2018, you might have heard a lot of gurus say dropshipping is dead, dropshipping is dead. All of these different clickbait titles and clickbait videos, which this video of course probably gonna have a clickbait title as well. But yeah, dropshipping in 2018, no, it will never die. Dropshipping won't die, but it has gotten a lot more saturated. So yes, dropshipping is a great way of starting off with business, but it's all how you see it. So if you see your dropshipping business game as a really long-term thing for 10, 20, 30 years, no, that is not sustainable in somewhat way due to the long shipping times, the somewhat bad quality of the products, and so on and so on and so on. But it's a great way of starting off with your general business journey with building that empire as we are doing on the channel. So it's a great way to starting off to build your empire for yourself. It's a great business model still in 2018, so no, for God's sake, dropshipping is not dead. But yes, it has gotten so much more saturated because, well, a lot more people are jumping onto the trend of starting a dropshipping business, if you would say so. So yeah, well, a lot of people are starting to dropship, and as more people come onto dropshipping, they're trying to dropship the same products. Everybody sort of like Googles and go onto YouTube and find all these different videos about doing product research, where I have a phenomenal playlist for finding winning products. I will link it in the description down below. Go ahead and check it out. All free videos, so you can find yourself some winning products. If you're starting off, that's actually some really great videos to go ahead and watch. But moving on. So yeah, dropshipping is definitely something that is going to be more saturated in 2018. We started off, when I started off in April 2017 with the specific dropshipping, I started off with e-commerce when I was 10, so like 9 years ago. But specifically dropshipping from AliExpress to Roberto and shit, I started with that in April 2017, and it's really evolved a lot, I guess. So many more people had jumped onto the trend. I know other guys, other YouTubers who started in 2015 and 2016 and stuff like that, and of course it was a lot easier to go ahead and get a winning product. But today, when you go ahead and find a winning product, it's really hard in somewhat way because you need to be pretty fast to get on there first, so you'll be able to get the bids through Facebook and everything on the Facebook ads and stuff like that to generate data on that product through your pixel, so you're not like taking one of those big winners already, because that won't really work for you. But so you might think, so how do I start, Markus? How do I start my dropshipping journey? If you're saying it's not dead, how should I start? So what you need to do is go ahead and watch a lot of YouTube videos, binge watch all of my videos on my YouTube channel, but otherwise there's a lot of other great YouTubers teaching a lot of stuff about dropshipping through Shopify and stuff like that. What you want to do is set up a store, and the way you want to market your products first is going to be through Instagram influencers. But it's super important that you don't use shitty influencers, because there's, well, sadly enough, a lot of fake influencers who just buys their followers and gets money off people who wants to promote through their page, because people think that it's a real page, but it's not. Well, it is a real page, but you know, you're not gonna get any sales from bots, right? It's really fucking bad, because you're gonna get traffic to your store, which is bad because it's bots, so that your pixel's gonna be optimized wrong, and you're not gonna get any sales. You're gonna lose your money on that shout out. So it's super important that you go ahead and learn the things about influencers before going ahead and starting off with it. That's another thing I wanted to sort of like don't rush it. You're not in a hurry, for fuck's sake, man. So too many people like send me messages on Facebook like, hey, can you look at my store, what's wrong, not getting any sales? Been like, I've been running ads for 2 days and I don't get any sales, should I stop this ad? Like, woo, like no, take some time, let the ad optimize, let your store look great, use time on the design. You need to have it make look great, feel great, have some nice finished touches and stuff like that. It's all about the branding of your product, the look of your store. So you, like, before people even gonna buy from you, you need to have a store which looks great, and this way your conversion rate will skyrocket if you have a store which is branded, which feels great, looks great on the mobile, have some nice touches. That's why you also want to have a premium theme or buy a theme, for example, from, I think it's called Theme Forest. They have some phenomenal themes which looks outstanding, and in this way you'll be able to be ahead of your competitors, and in this way you'll be able to get lower CPMs on Facebook, higher conversion rate, and you have a higher chance of succeeding with dropshipping. So it's all about trying to differentiate yourself from your competitors. But to jump back to what I was talking about before, so you want to start off with influencers, generate some sales, generate some data, generate some visits, and all these different types of stuff will optimize your Facebook pixel. So it's important that you have your Facebook pixel set up first, because all that data you get from your influencers will be stored in your pixels on Facebook as well. So you'll be able to use that data to make lookalike audiences. In this way, you won't fail when you start on Facebook. You might fail, of course, on products, but you will have a higher likelihood of succeeding if you implement all these different things instead of rushing it. So slow down, make a great store, and make your own goddamn product descriptions, please, guys. Come on, don't copy from Oberlo, don't copy from AliExpress. Make your own product descriptions, make your own store, make it look great, and then really care about it. Not this get rich quick scheme. Care about your store. You need to make something that you care about. So maybe choose a niche that you like or something like that. So you maybe have some motivation to do it because you like the niche. Like, care about it. But anyway, build up data through influencers, and in this way jump onto Facebook, and then you'll be able to succeed with dropshipping. And then later on, go ahead and learn about the marketing aspects, Google AdWords, Facebook. Generate some knowledge, and in this way you'll be able to build off of that with your capital that you generate from dropshipping, and then move into other things. That's what I'm doing as well. So definitely just a short rant right here to give you guys some advice, give you guys some tips and tricks and stuff like that, and please get those product descriptions fixed. And as always, if you got something useful out of it, please give it a like, hit the notification bell so you're always up to date whenever I upload, and the subscribe button to become a part of the family. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I will hope you all have a successful and wonderful day. Bye.